Hi everyone. Well, it is December 31st, New Year's Eve day, and I decided to just share my new planner with you, which I got at Target. Um, last year I just used this Dollar Tree monthly planner, and it works fine, but I really want to show you something about this one that I really like, and I think it'll work out well for me. And let's just get into it. I don't know if I'm going to be actually doing plan with me decorations and stuff like that. I don't know that I'll do that. Maybe just on a monthly basis, kind of a review of goals and stuff. But so it has 2022 and 2023 reference calendar in here. It has some stickers and just gold, and I've used some of them. It has a nice folder pocket here. It has the story about the planner. It has start with the big picture. You're just supposed to write down some words, brainstorm over here, which I didn't do, but I did go through it and set goals. Personal goals, family, friends, and relationship goals, heart and spirit goals, financial goals, work, career, or study goals, and I will go over those more with you on the 13th because I'm in a collab, and our keyword is goals for January, and we're going to post on the 13th. So any time of day, which I'll probably do it early, I'll do a separate video on that, and I'm going to break it down. I'm going to do two videos, one on this channel for my paper crafting, Stampin' Up, and one on my other channel, Dahlia Designs Jewelry and More, for my Dahlia Designs business jewelry goals. So that's that. And then it has design your days, morning routine, evening routine. I haven't really done that because I guess I should, because I'm retired and sometimes I get a little lazy. I'll sit and play games on my phone for a while before I get started, and then half the day is gone before I know it. So I probably should do that. Stay on course, important birthdays, trips and travel, anniversaries, family schedules, class schedules I don't have, school and church events, important work events, important personal events. It says to review your goals throughout the year. So this is just like a checklist to see how you're doing on some of your milestones and things. Goal review weekly, monthly, or quarterly. And then it just had the monthly in for October, November. Now, I didn't get this till December and mid-December. So you can see I started filling in some things. I do have a color combo collab, which I have to actually still do and get up for today. And then, and I did my live last night. So if you missed that, please go watch that. And then January also has the monthly. We're going to do a Thursday 7 p.m. live on this channel. I don't really have any collabs other than I'm probably going to continue with, oh, I forget what it was called. Oh, Case a Card, which I think was on the 5th. So I'll probably have that ready to air on the 5th. And then also Color Combo, which is the last day of the month. I don't have them written in yet, but I'm going to do it. But this is the part I really like about this planner. It has the week nice and big, first of all, but it's got the schedule over here, so I can put like my appointments or my live streams or my video uploads here, and then what I need to do that day over here. And I'm going to use this for everything. I can't do multiple planners. It just doesn't work for me. So because that doesn't work for me, this I think will work out really well because it's got a lot of room to write both my schedule, but also the to-do, and it's already got the checklist in here. Now I may put some decorations on these. I don't know. Now Saturday and Sunday are different. They don't have the today schedule and the to-do, but that's okay. And then it has notes, gratitude. You can write right here, so you can do a little bit of journaling. This week's top 3 goals or actions you did or whatever. And then it has a saying for every week. And the first week of January is, no, I'm sorry, this is the last week of December. First couple days of January. The fruit that can fall without shaking indeed is too mellow for me. Lady Mary Wortley Montag. Guess she wants a little excitement in her life. So anyway, and then it's got like these little flags already on special days, like this is New Year's Eve Day, this is New Year's Day, and then I think it also, like for Martin Luther King Day, which is the 18th, yeah, it has, or 17th, I'm sorry, has one on there, and it even tells you the holiday. So I like that, right? And then, but I can use the stickers, or I have a whole top shelf of a cart full of Happy Planner and other planner stickers. So, you know, I'm going to de-stash some of them, but I'm going to use some of them throughout the year too. So I may be doing planning. I also like that it doesn't have a ton of color on it. It just has like this gold and white stripe across the top, but there's not a lot of color, so it'll go with everything. And sometimes the Happy Planners are good, but they have so much color on them already that sometimes it's hard to do a color theme for your own, you know, what you want to do, because you have to cover everything else up that's already in there. And that was one thing I didn't like about the Happy Planner. But I generally do like Happy Planners too. So I don't want to be negative and stuff here. So I think this is going to work really well for me. It did cost me, I think, $12.99. They had some a little bit cheaper, but they didn't have this style. And I really wanted this style. And they had some prettier ones and even hardback ones, but some of those were like $26. And I just, this will work fine for me. Now, it does not have really removable pages or anything like a Happy Planner would. So, but you can, you know, turn it like this and just decorate one side and then flip it over and decorate the other side, or write in it or whatever. So I like that about it too. Sometimes those big rings are really bulky and take up room, and I have a shortage of space, let me put it that way. So let me put this back in, and also on the monthly, it's got a notes and to-do area here, which is typical in some planners, and then blank squares you could actually journal in if you wanted to as well, on the monthly. I don't tend to write a whole lot in the monthly, so this could be, other than, I mean, I put appointments and stuff. I do want to go ahead and write in, sorry, I'm all over the place. I just have a black pen, which I'm going to keep with this, and I don't even know, it's a Bic. It's just a Bic. So 5 o'clock, I'm going to change the times to noon, and this is case a card. So I am going to continue to do that, and because this is the new catalog for Stampin' Up! Goes into effect on the 4th, the new mini catalog in celebration, I will case a card using something from that catalog on the 5th. And then on the 31st is color combo, and I'm going to make that noon as well, noon Eastern, color combo collab. And I'm going to do these a little different this year, I think, because people have been unavailable or dropping off. So I'm going to use hashtags in 2022. And if people want to play along, they can. Case a card's really easy. I mean, not easy, but it's, you basically just have to pick a card in a current Stampin' Up! Catalog and copy and selectively edit. C-A-S-E. And then color combo, I will have specific color combos. I still have to make the chart for 2022. And if anybody's interested in doing that one, now those will use Stampin' Up! Colors. However, if you want to join in on that one, you don't have to have the Stampin' Up! Colors. You can use something similar, close to the Stampin' Up! Colors, but you need the chart to know what colors I'm gonna use, right? So actually, I'm going to put this in here because this will be the first week. And it has this, it came with this divider. This is called Day Designer. That's the name of the planner. So I think I'm going to really enjoy it. I really just wanted to show this to you. And I didn't even go to the back and see, you know, if there's, okay, there's holidays listed in the back on a kind of a laminated sheet. And then the back has a larger heavy plastic cover. And it does have some pages for notes, several pages for notes in the back. So you could reflect on the year when it's done, and yeah, if you like to save things like that. So it's a nice planner for the money. I think I'll be happy with it. And it's kind of a larger as far as size, like 8.5 by 11 type size, maybe a little bigger than that, but it's flat, and like I said, the only disadvantage, it doesn't have removable pages, but that's okay. I don't really need to remove the pages, actually. So that's it. I just wanted to share what I'm going to be doing for planning for 2022. I may, like I said, have occasional plan with me's, maybe on a monthly basis. I'll go ahead and decorate each month. Not quite ready to do January yet, so stay tuned for that. I'll do a separate video for that. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful New Year's Eve. Stay safe. Yeah, I hope that everyone's New Year is a happy and healthy one, and that we finally, as a world, can move forward a little bit from this whole pandemic thing that's driving everyone a little crazy, I know. All right, everyone. Take care. Bye. Hugs, love, and peace.